Anytime I blend, I had to clean the base of my blender jar because it leaks. Surprisingly, as if TikTok algorithm can read people's mind, I went on TikTok and a video on how to correct this came into my feed. So from the video, the person said it is the blade that needs to be changed because it's worn out, and that is 350. I said, wow. I said, wow, because if I add up, I can get a new blender. Although this one, the motor is not faulty. About some weeks later, I came on YouTube and searched how to stop your blender jar from leakage. And I saw a video. It was very raw. So in the video, I saw this gentleman fixing a blade on a motorbike on an untarred road. So I said, this is the person that I am looking for in my mind. So I reached out to the person on WhatsApp and he said he can send it to me and it's 120. When he said 120, I didn't believe it because I was thinking that he could be a scammer, because one person has said it's 350 and he is saying 120. And I remember at the time I was on phone with Nature and I told her and she said, oh, auntie, and you give it a try. So I contacted him again, and to my surprise, he is in the same region with me. And in less than 4 hours, I received my package. I will not be bothered if he comes across this video because I gave him a tough time. I asked him, are you sure you are not a scammer? The package includes an Allen key, a new blade, and this black knob to be fixed on the blender base. The good news is that it's universal, so it can fix any brand. My blender, I've not seen the brand anywhere. Apart from myself, the people that bought it together with me, I've not seen any other person using that before. The blender base is labeled open and close. Anti-clockwise is open and clockwise is close. So I put the Allen key into the two holes and followed the open inscription to have it open. I'll go ahead and clean this part of the blender. And as you can see, the two models of the blades are not the same, but that is not a problem. One good thing about this is that the holes on the round part, it was not drilled onto the other side, so you can put it anywhere. I realized that this part of the blade, although round, a part is flattened, and so is the base of the blender. I hope you can see. So you have to fix it as such. Fixing the blade was a problem in the beginning, but I increased my common sense by the grace of God, because I cannot come this far and take all this to somebody and say, oh, I have everything I need, but use your common sense and do it for me at a fee. God forbid. So I reversed how I opened it to have it closed. It's as simple as that. With the star area of my screwdriver, I am going to unscrew the bolt in the black thing on it. I'm going to do that and take it out and put in the new one. I put it back, so I'm still using the old version and it's still working perfectly, but I needed to demonstrate to you. I tested it later on and it was as good as before. Thank you for sticking and staying with me until I come your way with another video. Remember to keep hope alive. Also like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.